In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Google Meet using Google Calendar. So there are two main ways that you can do this. If you're on Google and you go to Google Apps in the top right, you can then go to Meet. Now, once you're on Meet, it will then open this window. You can then click a new meeting, then click Schedule in Google Calendar. And what it will do is open up Google Calendar. Now you can choose a date, a time, and you can add your meeting this way. Now this is okay, but if you want to actually see your calendar and you want to figure out a time to do this, instead you can close out of this. Once you've seen your calendar, you can alternatively just come to Google Calendar, click on any box, and then here you can click Add Google Meet Video Conference. You can then give this a title, so I'll put Meeting About YouTube. You can then choose how long this meeting will go on for. I'm going to choose 30 minutes. We can then also go ahead and invite guests. So this will send them an invite to their email with this Google Meet link. Once you've done that, they will then be added. You can then go ahead and add any description if it's needed for your meeting. And you can see notify 30 minutes before. Click Save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Click on Send. You've now added a meeting to Google Calendar. When the time comes, you can come to your calendar and click Join with Google Meet, and the person you invited will get an email looking like this. They can then confirm, and they can also join with this link when it is time as well.